Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Scoots again. You know, we all want our bikes to be protected. We love them and they're pride and joy. But I gotta tell you, I keep my bike in one little section of the garage. I just want one little section, and I'm going to take a picture of what I found the other day. And that was a cardboard box sitting on the seat. Nobody would confess to it. Then it pops up on your phone. You can see that. Kind of blurry, but it notifies you that there was some action going on. Now, if it was dark in here, those LED lights would come on. There's a sound detection right there. It just popped up. And it'll protect my baby. It'll protect my baby.